everybody! Welcome back to Sanggar Aksara's online class. Today, I'm feeling quite hungry. Have you eaten today? How about we cook together today? I wonder what we should cook. How about we make some popcorn? Have you guys ever made popcorn before? Let's make popcorn together. Let's go on ahead to the kitchen and prepare the ingredients that we need. Come on. First, you need to prepare your butter and your popcorn kernels. You also need to prepare your bowl and your saucepan. Now the first step for you to do is to put your saucepan on top of the stove. Make sure you get mommy or daddy to turn on the stove for you. And then you put in the butter inside the saucepan. Make sure to shake the saucepan well so that the butter melts evenly inside it. And then finally, you can add in your popcorn kernels. Make sure to put in all of it. And then shake it again. Make sure that while you are cooking the popcorn, you shake your saucepan so that we don't overcook or burn the popcorn. Shake, shake, shake. 4 popcorn kernels sizzling in a pot. Shake, shake, shake them till they're hot. All of a sudden, one goes pop. 3 popcorn kernels sizzling in a pot. 3 popcorn kernels sizzling in a pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em till they're hot. All of a sudden, one goes pop. 2 popcorn kernels sizzling in a pot. 2 popcorn kernels. Now, the way we can tell that the popcorn is cooked is when it starts to pop. I wonder how long it will take for the first popcorn kernel to pop. Would you like to count together with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, look at that! After the first popcorn kernel popped, they all started popping out of the saucepan. Oh no, some of them even got me. What should we do to make sure that none of the popcorn jumps out of the pan? That is right. We should use a lid. Oh, look at that. Now that we've closed the saucepan with a lid, none of the popcorns are jumping out at us anymore. Look, we finished making our popcorn. Now all that's left to do is for us to eat. Bon appetit! Now that is it for our online class today. I hope you enjoyed making popcorn together. And after this, you can go on ahead and play with your play packages with mommy and daddy. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, as well as share with your friends and family, and make sure you also click the notification bell so you never miss out on any new videos from Sanggar Aksara's online class. See you soon! Bye!